Well, hello YouTube, Mama Jenny here, and I'm continuing my journey in Mazamitla, and I got hungry. So I'm going to take you with me, and we're going to find something good to eat. Let's go. How about Casa Magna Mexicano fusion? After I saw this, I knew I was in the right place. It's tequila shrimp over mushroom risotto. Ask for Eduardo.
All right. Okay.
So if you're ever in Mazamitla, Mexico, visit this restaurant. Thank me later again. And YouTube, if you haven't already, please subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment. Bye for now.